Hello everyone and welcome to Vilinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through multiple solutions to fix the ASIO3 Sys error on your ASUS computers. And now let's get started. To begin resolving the ASIO3 Sys error, the first and most crucial step is to ensure all your drivers are up to date. The most efficient method for this is to perform a Windows update, which will also install any optional updates. Right-click on the Start button and choose Settings from the menu. Navigate to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left side. In the right pane, select Advanced Options and then choose Optional Updates. Here, locate any driver updates or other available updates, check the boxes next to them, and then click on Download and Install. The next solution involves running a System File Checker scan, often referred to as an SFC scan. To do this, search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar, and then click on Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the command sfc/scan now and press Enter. This command will begin scanning for and repairing corrupted system files. Another effective approach is to uninstall any software that was recently installed on your computer. To do this, right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Apps tab on the list on the left. In the right pane, select Installed Apps. You should find recently installed software products listed here. Click on the three dots associated with the program you suspect is causing the issue, and select Uninstall. If you do not see it immediately, you can try sorting the installed apps by date installed to find newer entries, and then attempt to uninstall them. A chkdsk scan can also help identify and fix file system errors on your hard drive. Search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar, and click on Run as Administrator. In the Administrator Command Prompt window, type the command chkdsk/f/r and press Enter. You will likely see a message indicating that the scan cannot be performed because the volume is in use. Press Y, and then hit Enter to schedule the disk check for the next time you restart your computer. Once your computer restarts, the chkdsk scan will commence. Finally, perform a memory diagnostic test to rule out any issues with your computer's RAM. Search for Memory Diagnostic in the Windows search bar, and open Windows Memory Diagnostic. Click on Restart Now, and check for problems. Your computer will restart and perform the memory diagnostic test. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.